Now you have learned all of the basic steps, you're ready to learn your first turn. We'll begin with the follower's right turn. It is a simple yet wonderful move for your first dance. Leader, your footwork is exactly the same as the basic, however, you'll be indicating the turn during the basic. We'll use 2 sets of the basic to complete the full turn. Now let's break things down. You are going to start with your left foot stepping to your left. We have left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, drop the hand. By dropping the hand, you're giving a turning signal to your partner. Now you're going to continue the basic to the left and raise your left hand to turn your partner. Left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap. Let's do one more time without pausing. Starting with the left foot, we have side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, drop the hand, turn, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap. In order to lead the turn, imagine drawing a halo above your partner's head and make sure to draw the circle clockwise. Follower, before you turn, you will begin with a full basic. Let's take a quick look. Now, let's break things down. Starting with your right foot, we have right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap. Now you start turning on your next step, rotate your right foot out, pivot on your right foot to turn halfway. Now make another half turn on your left foot to face your partner. Take a side step with your right foot and tap with your left foot. And then you're going to continue the basic going to the left. Side, together, side, tap. Let's do one more time without pausing. Starting with the right foot, we have side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap, turn, 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 tap, side, together, side, tap. Here's a close-up of the follower's footwork. Make sure to turn on a straight line. Follower, make sure to keep your right elbow bent and try not to turn yourself. You want to wait for your partner to lead you into the turn. Now you have learned your first turn in the program. Keep practicing it until it becomes natural to you. Have fun dancing!